being a final year marketing student myself, and I'm doing a dual master's in marketing and marketing analytics, I thought it was extremely relevant because that is the way of the future, artificial intelligence, and I thought I need to know as much as I can before I enter the industry.
I really like how it is really detailed and it's just not basic theory. It also helps students to engage in the activities and also help us learn and deepen our knowledge about the AI that is used for marketing. I have learned a lot. I like how they have given us a lot of activities, and it helps me understand that AI is just not like ChatGPT, but there are a lot of other AI that is used not only for students but also for workers and other companies, and I feel like it has given me more broad example of what AI really is, so it is a really great experience for me.
I think I want to learn about leveraging from every stage in marketing, like understanding the customer behavior until like developing a comprehensive marketing strategy. And also, I want to learn about the responsible practice about using AI in a marketing field because, the ethical issue in the world of AI is kind of main concern. So I think I want to learn that too.
I think one would be developing social media strategy because there are a lot of text-based or image-based, video-based content on social media right now, and I think AI would help with the content planning part of those social media posts.